Lara's loving this. She's back now with Hollywood's big night. And what we didn't hear last night, Lara, you have that. Good morning.
Yes, but first, Robin, can I just say, Sam, it is so bleeping good to see you.
I love you, Lara. You look amazing.
Don't you?
Gorgeous.
Thank you. You know, 2 hours of sleep, no problem. I used the bleep for a reason. Many people asking, was it the free-flowing cocktails, the relaxed atmosphere? Because, boy, those bleepers were working overtime this year at what might have been the most foul-mouthed Globes ever. It all started when Jonah Hill, dressed as the bear from The Revenant, went on an unexpected tirade.
Keep it together, thank you.
The Globes, on a 7-second tape delay, and much needed, by the way, went into complete silence.
No, honey's just... And, thank you all for your time, and, yeah, you gave it to the lead actor, and the supporting actor sits there in the back.
The show rapidly turning into a case of curse or be cursed.
Hello, I'm J-Law.
Whether it was Amy Schumer trying to come up with a celebrity nickname for her and her best bud, J-Law.
Like, what do people usually call you? Usually they just...
Or host Ricky Gervais.
This show is way too long, isn't it? It's way too... This could be half an hour.
Just
Listen,
being Ricky.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
I think we all want the answer to this.
Mm-hmm.
The Globes plunging into silence a full 9 times. Viewers frantically trying to press the unmute button stormed Twitter in exasperation. How much do I have to pay for the uncensored channel? And whoever had to censor the 2016 Golden Globes is icing their hand big time right about now. Yeah, and if you're wondering what any of those crickets were, go online. It's all over. Maybe it had something to do with this. Moet and Chandon says more than 7,500 glasses of champagne were poured last night, guys.
Oh,
Wow. That'll do
that
it.
had a little something.
That'll do
Liquid
it.
courage. Liquid courage. All right.